Welcome, willkommen to Bavaria. My colleague Diana and me, we're standing here in Kempten in front of the old town hall. This is one of the cutest towns in the Allgäu Mountains, and it's one of the oldest settlements of Germany, going back to the Roman times.
Kempten is located less than 2 hours away from Munich. It is a convenient gateway to the Bavarian Alps and to one of the most visited attractions in Germany, the world's famous Neuschwanstein Castle.
Today, Diana, I want to take you to another specialty of Bavaria, a real mountain hut. Let's go! We made it to the Hundluskopfhütte in the Bavarian Alps. It's run by Silvia Beyer, one of our Bavarian insiders, and she is the manager of the first vegetarian hut.
Our Bavarian insiders are local Bavarian people reinterpreting Bavarian customs and traditions in their own unique way.
Let's meet Silvia. Silvia, I heard that you're running the first vegetarian hut in the Bavarian Alps. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, it came that I was working in huts before and I was looking for my own place and always wanted to cook like I live myself, vegetarian for a long time. And I started here in May 2015. And one of my favorite dishes here is a very local dish from the Allgäu area. It's called Kässpätzle. We do everything ourselves, handmade, and it's a very traditional dish from this area, always used on Friday very much because Fridays was always vegetarian days in the former days. Now, another favorite of me and also the guests is a vegan gluten-free zucchini lasagne, which is on top with almond, and it's also very nice.
Your English is very good. Where did you learn to speak English?
I was living in Idaho for 1 year. When I was 20, I got 20 over there. I had a really great time. And this is where my English comes from. And every time I have international guests, they're looking for vegetarian, vegan places to eat, and they find me very often. And so I have a chance to use my English, and I enjoy it.
Do you have anything growing here, right in the hut?
I have many herbals. I try to raise more and more, and some feel really comfortable and get big. So like a very good mountain mint, which has started growing. And I have different herbals, and also I use the wild ones that are growing around the area. So as soon as something is seasonal here, I pick it and put it inside the salad or inside the wraps we do.
That was wonderful. Does the Yodel song have a name?
Yeah, the name of this song is Auf der Hundluskopfhütte, on the Hundluskopf hut, because I had a yodeling class one springtime with 20 people teaching yodeling with a teacher, a professional woman, and she composed extra this yodeler for our Hütte. So ever since I have my own Hüttenjodler. And I play a little guitar. We all like to sing in our family. Da hebt der Burt rein, seine Kiel lauft weit und los am Brünnele trinken. Am Morgen früh, wenn der Gucker schreit und sobert, wenn Sonne durchsinkt.
What are your personal travel tips for international guests coming to this impressive region?
Well, of course, the Alpine Road is passing. We have a lot of beautiful natural lakes, and in the winter you can do sliding and also all kinds of sports or enjoying the winter countryside.
We hope you enjoy getting to know these hidden gems of Bavaria and meeting Silvia at her Hundluskopfhütte. And if you want to know more about us, stay in touch. And we hope to see you all soon in Bavaria. Servus!
Servus! Bye-bye!